Hi everyone, so here's another vlog entry for my life lately. So this one I haven't introduced to this channel. This is the first time that I'll be sharing this part of my life with you. So ito yung mga sideline ko. Actually, I've started selling since 2012 off and on, pero here I am again. So check this out. Okay, hello everyone. So first and foremost, welcome to another episode of my life lately. So previously, I went with my sisters to watch Miss Saigon, and here is another part of my life. Aside from work, aside from taking care of this pretty cat right here. Say hi, hello everyone. I will help my mommy unbox our paninda. Okay, so I've just received my second batch of Japan items, but before I open that, so I will give you a sneak peek of what my first box looked like. I was not ready because I was in a rush that time to open and check everything, so wala akong vlog entry, but ngayon prepared na. So before I open these boxes, check this out first. So eto na nga guys. So this was my first box for March. So first of all, I wanted to thank everyone for your orders. It was overwhelming. So there I have Kapliko. So all the items are posted on my FB page. We have KitKat Matcha. So ito talaga yung first, and nagulat talaga ako sa dami. So, we have bourbon chocolates, choco biscuits. So, these are 3 large boxes. And lahat yon orders. So, Meito, it's a dark chocolate. This is one of my favorite actually. Ang sarap niyan. Pinulutan ko nga yan. Yan, o diba? So, sikat siya, kaya ang dami ring nag-order. Then, this one is the Shiseido Baby Powder. So, another bestseller. I have Almond, that's Kabaya, and this one is Meiji. So, I was so excited to open this box, and ang iniisip ko lang is, so ito yung hindi namin alam kung ano yung pangalan, basta kabote yan. So, I was so excited to open. And, yan yung pinaka naging video ko na for that box. So, I have DHC Collagen. So, it's a personal favorite. I really love that. Ang sarap ng tulog ko dyan. Then, vitamin C. Syempre. More collagen. I have Biore. Sunblocks. Then, this is a personal favorite also. That's Chubaki shampoo and conditioner. So, I have 3 sets. Yung isa dyan akong gumamit. And, super ganda niya talaga. Super lambot ng hair. To think na uber damage na yung hair ko. Then, we have still Chubaki hair mask. I have tuna. It's 3 pieces per set. Then, we have the Roto eye drops. So, ito dito ako natuwa. As in, sobrang daming may order niyan. Ang dami pa nagpapahabol. O, diba? More boxes, more fun. Then, we have truffles, candies, more truffles. Ayan pa. Isa pa yan, nakakatuwa. Ang dami-dami rin may order niyan. Na-overwhelmed talaga ako. See, there's more Roto. Originally, I thought I'm just gonna post those items. Bahala na kung may mag-order. So, I was thinking na mostly siguro noodles lang yung o-orderin. Pero, ayan, I have also Choco Pie. Here we are. That one's Chubaki hair water. Then, ayan na, yung mga soap. So, it's packed separately. O, diba? Hindi ganon kaganda yung angle ng cam. Kasi nga, this is the first time. So, we have cow soap na blue. We also have cow soap na red. That's 6 pieces per pack. Okay, we have face peeling gel. So, ang dami niyan. I think mga 11 pieces, if I remember correctly. Oh, diba? So, yan. Yung first box. It's so many. Then, we have more. So, there's more truffles. Sa mga susunod na. I have to put some of the items away kasi hindi kasya sa table ko. So, gusto ko lang talagang makapture yung first time na nakakatuwa kasi ang dami-daming items. So many truffles. It's in different flavors. We have salted caramel, hazelnut, tiramisu. The other one's milk, I think. So that's milk caramel candies right there. Almond caramel candies. O yan, di ba? Sorry for the bad angle. And then, ito na, yung pagbubukas ko ng noodles. Binilisan ko na. So, ayun. Yun yung laman ng first box ko. It was so many. And I wanted to thank everyone na nag-order for me. So, thank you very much po. Thank you for the patience while waiting. And, lalo na dito sa second box ko. So, kasi mas natagalan siya ng konti. So, maraming salamat po sa pasensya. Thank you for everyone who continued with their orders. Sila pa yung nagpa-follow up sa akin. And, wala. Thank you guys. Thank you for the support. So, first of all, let me see what's in here. Bisti, sabi mo help mo si Mami. Anak. So, I've got chocolates, noodles. I've got skincare. Collagen. Yeah. Ayan. So, nakita ko na yung collagen. So, we have to be careful cutting the box. So, you never know. We don't want to cut any items from inside. Yeah. So, here is my first box. So, let's see. I've got PHC collagen. So, ito talaga guys. Ito talaga yung ginagamit ko. Aside from filter, char. So, masarap-sarap na tulog ko dito. So, this is well recommended. This is good for 2 months na. Ayan. So, we got collagen. I've got my bourbon chocolate. So, this is a chocolate-coated biscuit. Ayan, di ba? Meron tayo yan. I have milk tea. So, milk. So, syempre, hindi natin maintindihan. Kasi it's all in Japanese. But I got the milk tea. So, let's see here. I've got the baby pressed powder from the Shiseido. So, we've got lots of it. We've got peeling gels. Ayan. Peeling gels. Order to the Beshiwa. Thank you. Ang dami yan. Oh, okay. So, later I will sort it out. We've got Pino hair mask. Pino, okay. Pino hair mask. Okay, so our small box is done. Done. Okay, moving on to the next one. Ito ay yung medyo mabigat. Okay. So, nasa ang opening ni Red? Okay, nasa side. Okay, let's cut this one. So, syempre, yung mga babies ko, mas gusto yung box kaysa sa laman. Parang mali. Parang mali ako sa part na yun. Ano ba siya in-open? I think so. Oh, gagaling mag-unbox ng mga baby ni mami. Parang tunay. Parang mali yung binuksan ko side. Anyway. Dito ko na siya tinry i-open. Dito na ito siya. Ayan. Okay. So, what do we have here? We've got Meiji Apollo. So, more chocolates. Separate natin yung non-food. Okay, we've got macadamia. So, macadamia for you guys. I have this, the best variety. I've got natto dark chocolates, more natto, collagen powder, more natto. This is Caplico. Okay. So, in-order din nila palagi sa akin yan. I have shredded squid guys. More Caplico. This is Gena Crunchy. More macadamia. What else do we have here? What is this? Oh, I have matcha. It's green tea. We have Kit Kat matcha. I have Lotte collagen powder and more collagen powder. From here, I have cow soap, more cow soap. So there's more cow soap underneath. What is this? Oh, I have Senka Perfect Whip. This one is pink, so it's the collagen one. And this is the Senka Blue. Okay. I have gummies. So this one is blueberry gummies. Pistachio nuts. More pistachio nuts. Oh, this one is Sanrio. I think these are chocolate biscuits. So cute. I have more Senka. So this one's the aqua blue. This is the medicated one. Still collagen. Okay, let's see what we have here. Oh, this is the collagen bottle. So this is bottle. I will see later. Ilan yan? I think 10. Then I have more cow soap, guys. So, ayun. Ayun ang laman ng ating second box. Okay. Ayun. So, of course, I have Nissin. 2 boxes of Nissin cup noodles. So, for this batch, cup noodles lang ang extra ko. Ayun na nga. Also, if you want to try this collagen bottle, so this one is an extra 2. Ayun. Pero, I'm still thinking if I will have this for myself. Kasi, I wanna try. Gusto ko pag tininda ko, alam ko yung lasa. Alam ko kung masarap. Ayan, egg. And then, tada! Ito yung pinakahihintay ko sa lahat. My Onitsuka shoes. So, with paper bag. Bought from the store. So, ito yung box niya. So, tada. Let's see what this is. Oh, so pretty. Tada! Oh, bunso. Mabango ba? Mabango ba ang shoes ni Mami? Do you like it? Oh. So, it's delegation. Super cute. Super nice. It's so perfect. Happy to go. So this is mine, guys. Okay. So, my post, I haven't posted any shoes. So hindi ko siya sinama sa pa-order that I tried. So, pero yeah, we do. We also have perfumes, everything. It's so nice. I'm so happy. So, that's it. That's my second batch of orders. The third one will come in about a month, first week of June. And thank you for watching. Magsasort na ako ng pa-orders. Bye!